Welcome to How to Solve.
How to private your Facebook account. What you're going to do is to open your Facebook account and then click on the three bar lines here and then click on the settings icon, and you are going to find the option privacy checkup. Now, if you did not see the option privacy checkup, just search it, privacy checkup, and there it will take you to these options. So this is how you are going to make your Facebook account private. So who can look you up using your email address? So you can tap on only me, or your friends only, or your friends of your friends, or everyone. So you're just going to simply tap only me, and of course who can look up using the phone number you provided. You can also tap only me, and then personal information, public posts. So you can see here the options. So you can, if you want to make it private, you can make it, or you can tap friends or only me, friends and only me, and all the options there. So this is how easy to make your Facebook account private. Just tap the choice only me, we have here no one, we have here friends, and that's it. I hope I helped you in making your Facebook account private.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.